This is Mr. Nagendra, A. Myself social studies teacher. My qualification is MA BEd. Myself is continuing in this profession 36 years onwards. Today, myself is going to give you the information about India and its physical features. India physical features. Let us come to the physical features. First of all, physical features. Let us come to know about physical features. Physical features means, yes, mountains, plateaus. Yes, are you getting? Plateaus, plains, deserts, islands, forests, which are visible to us. We would come to know about they are called as physical features. Yes, and which occupies a larger area, it could be significant. So let us come to know in which part of India we could find they are occupied by mountains, plateaus, plains, deserts, islands and forests. Yes, first of all let us come to know India's physical features. India's physical features, north to south. Let us come to know north to south where they are occupied. Where they are occupied. Which part of India have they occupied? Let us come to know. Yes, here is India. Let us come to know. Come from north to south. North to south. North, it is occupied by mountains, three parallel ranges of mountain ranges, north and northeast, three parallel ranges, three parallel ranges. They are called as Himalayas. Number one, the Himalayas. The Himalayas. Number two, yes, number two, plains. Mountains we came to know now. Now let us come to know plains. Here is Indus plain. Here is Gangetic plain. Indus plain, Gangetic plain together called as Indo-Gangetic plains. Yes, Indo-Gangetic plains. Indo-Gangetic plains. Yes, number three. And also we do come to know the desert. Desert. Which part of India the desert is located means northeast part of India the desert itself is located. That it is called as the Great Indian Desert. The Great Indian Desert. Yes, next. And let us come to know the plateaus. Which part of India the plateaus do we find? The plateaus. Here is the plateau here in northern part of itself is called as okay, Malwa Plateau. Southern part of itself is called as Deccan Plateau. Together it is called as a peninsular plateau. Why? Because this plateau is major portion of this plateau is located in the peninsula. So that it is called as a peninsular plateau. peninsular plateau. Yes, next. Let us come to know the India is having three sides ocean, three sides sea water. So that we could find north we could find the plains. East of here we could find the plains, east and west. That they are together called as the coastal plains. The coastal plains. Next, and we too come to know plateaus completed, plains completed, deserts completed. Yes, islands. Islands in Bay of Bengal we could find the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And in the west we could find in the Arabian Sea, the Lakshadweep, together called as the islands. Together called as islands. So, how many physical features do India is having? 6 physical features. First one is the Himalayas, second one the Indo-Gangetic Plain. Yes, third one is the Great Indian Desert. Okay, here is Indian Desert, and fourth it is the Peninsular Plateau, and fifth it is the coastal plains, and the last one here it is the islands.